Modern life runs on things we rarely notice. The chair you're sitting on, the bus that gets you to work, the bike you ride, the equipment inside hospitals, even the structures behind appliances at home. Behind all of it is one silent force holding everything together: steel, and more importantly, precision steel. Who we are. At GrowEver Group, we've spent years mastering that craft, transforming raw steel into dependable precision that industries rely on every single day. Founded in Kolkata in 2008 as an ERW MS precision steel tube manufacturer, GrowEver has grown steadily, shaped by challenges, strengthened by trust, and driven by performance. Our products are not made to sit on shelves. They're built to work, under pressure, under movement, under responsibility. What we make, at the core of everything we do, are precision-engineered steel solutions, including ERW MS, precision steel tubes, the foundation of our manufacturing, square and rectangular hollow sections, built for structural strength, oval and capsule tubes, engineered for specialized design needs, cut-to-length tubes, ready-to-use precision that reduces waste, tubular and stamped components, for complex assemblies, steel sheets, supporting countless industrial builds. But the real story isn't what we make, it's where they go and what they enable. Industries we power, automotive and OEMs, precision here isn't optional, it's critical. Our steel is used in chassis components, engine supports, seat frames, and structural members where even a millimeter can impact safety, performance, and durability. OEMs rely on us for consistent quality, batch after batch, delivery after delivery. Bicycles and electric vehicles, lightweight, strong, reliable. Frames, handlebars, and structural components demand steel that balances strength with efficiency, supporting sustainable mobility without compromise. Construction and light engineering, from scaffolding and railings to machine frames and supports, our hollow sections form the backbone of everyday infrastructure. Built to last, built to hold. Electrical and FMCD, appliances, conduits, housings. Precision here ensures safety, uniformity, and long product life. Consistency isn't just about aesthetics. It's about reliability inside every home. Furniture and fitness equipment, whether it's gym machines or modular office furniture, steel must perform repeatedly, without flex, without failure. Our tubes ensure stability, balance, and long-term performance. Healthcare, here standards are uncompromising. Hospital beds, medical equipment frames, and support systems require hygienic finishes, tight tolerances, and dependable strength. There's no margin for error. Power and electrical infrastructure, conduits, wiring supports, and structural frameworks that perform under demanding conditions, day after day, without interruption. What connects all these industries? Across every industry, one promise holds everything together: 100% on-time delivery. For 24 straight months, every commitment was met, right on schedule. Scale, capability, and trust, from 8mm tubes to custom hollow sections, GrowEver delivers precision at scale. That's why industry leaders like Tata Motors, Hero Motocorp, Bajaj Auto, TVS, Avon Cycles, Headache, Karma, Patton, and many more place their trust in us. Because steel is only the beginning. Service completes the promise. This is GrowEver Group, delivering strength, powering progress,